Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, here to announce a kick-ass Shoei Helmet Closeout. Okay, the Shoei RF-1200 is being replaced by the 1400. You've probably already seen my video review of that helmet. It looks real promising. I'm excited to ride in it, hoping to make that happen here in the next couple of weeks. The 1200 Closeout is pretty exciting news. We went pretty deep on this. We ordered a lot of these helmets. We have them here in the warehouse, so they're going to ship out fast. And we are adjusting the prices to save you even more on a great helmet. Before we dive into the pricing, I went through a sampling of the graphics that we're going to have here available, and I checked the production codes. As an example, this was April of 2020. These were all October of 2020, and this one over here was October of 2019. Those are really fresh for closeouts. Those are crazy fresh for closeouts, especially the 2020 stuff. That is full on the shelves, freshly baked bread, ready to go, okay? And now we're going to be offering those at special closeout pricing. What is that pricing? For the solids, we're going to do $379, and I have good sizes available in these yet. A lot of the sizing that we have here, especially in the solids, is going to be focused on size medium and large, which are the two most popular selling sizes. We do have full range available as you go through the mix of graphics and colors. Most of your graphics, with the exception of just one, are going to be $439. Here is your variable right here. This is available in 3 different colorways. Your brawn, $439. The only other price point we're going to have for the time being, because this is just the hottest one, and quite frankly, it costs more money. This is the dedicated. This is a kick-ass looking matte finish graphic. Looks great, American flag themed. We're going to do this one for $467. Still an amazing deal. These are premium helmets, right? Normally closeouts, you can expect, the dates are a little bit older. So if you're a racer and that 5-year thing is something you're sensitive to, oftentimes closeouts aren't the way to go. This is counter to that. Every one of these is fresh and ready to go. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm here to make sure you get the most out of your next purchase. SportbikeTrackGear.com.